Yeah, I've been known to wear those occasionally. My kid gives me a hard time. He's like, can't you just wear jeans, Dad? I'm like, it's casual.
Go with the jeans, okay?
Yeah, okay. Hey, so it's going to be, dare I say, shorts weather later this week. Not necessarily.
Are you saying that or not? You said dare.
Are you daring me to? Lisa?
Yes, I am daring you.
Okay, maybe along the coast. 1 or 2 days along the coast is going to look really beautiful later this week. We'll get to that in a minute. And it's going to be nice in the Portland metro area if you like the sunshine again, or at least the return to the sunshine. Ridgefield, A camera right now, 54 degrees. You see clouds along the horizon, but we're clearing out up above as it's beginning to get closer to sunset here in just the next few minutes. Seaside, folks down there along the beaches dodging that morning rain. Had some afternoon clearing as well, but now we got some clouds hanging up there over Tillamook Head. Live outside, Subaru Portland camera, downtown Portland, 56 degrees. Clouds and some sunshine as we get close to sunset here. Humidity 77%. Dew points at 49, wind south-southeast 7 miles per hour. And notice that evening planner there. If you have plans this evening, just bring a jacket. We're going to slowly cool things down, and it's going to remain mostly dry. All right, satellite and radar. We've been dealing with these post-frontal showers, and the rain was here this morning. The front moved through about 7, 8 a.m., and then we went to scattered showers this afternoon with some sun breaks. I am keeping my eye on this situation down here. That's Marion County, and now moving up into Clackamas County. Thunderstorm went right over Silverton through Scotts Mills, heading towards Molalla right now. Those will continue to taper off. That next system off the coast, by the way, it is going to start to build a ridge of high pressure out in front of it. So the majority of this system is heading for Vancouver Island and Washington, but the tail end of it will sweep through the metro area, at least northern Oregon coast and into the northern parts of the Willamette Valley, southwest Washington once we get to tomorrow morning. So it's going to be a lot like today, but just not quite as much rainfall as we had today. There it is. Just about 1/3 of an inch there in Portland, more than 1/3 of an inch in Vancouver, Salem. A lot of uniform rain across the region there. Same thing with the Tillamook as well there at the 38/100ths of an inch. Daytime highs today, a little cooler than we were yesterday. Not many 60s on the map, except for down in Eugene and Roseburg. Of course, Medford down there in the Rogue Valley. 58s at Portland and Vancouver. Average, though, 49. So we continue to run above average by almost 10 degrees. National Weather Service has a coastal sneaker wave advisory up for today and tomorrow. Be careful, stay off rocks and jetties. And even in nice weather, those sneaker waves can come way up on the shore and carry logs with it. Hourly planner for your Monday. Showers in the morning. It backs off to cloudy skies in the afternoon. We'll get some sun breaks right around sunset again. There's those recent high temperatures. All below average the past 10 years. I wish 10 years. How about 10 days? And then 61 yesterday. That was a nice day. 1 degree shy of the record for the date yesterday. We cool it down a little bit. Futurecast tonight, we go into the evening hours. There's your dry time in the valley and along the coast. Once we get into Monday morning, we get some rainfall, mostly Portland north up through Vancouver, Clark, and Cowlitz counties. And then we dry it out in the afternoon hours, and that starts our drying trend that we're going to see for the next, all the way through about Friday into Saturday before we introduce rainfall back into the forecast. There's those light rainfall amounts. Vancouver to 6/100ths of an inch. Most of it confined to northwestern Oregon and southwestern Washington, and that will pretty much be before noon tomorrow. All right, 7-day forecast. On your Groundhog's Day, we'll call it morning showers, afternoon drying, 53 for a high. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all right around 60 degrees. The east wind will pick up through the gorge. That will keep us right around 60. Less of that wind down along the coast. That's why some locations in the northern and central coast could be pushing 65 to even 70, especially up in the coast range. And then Lisa increased the clouds on Friday. And then showers return again next weekend, just in time for Super Bowl Sunday.
Thanks, Steve.